Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add soundboard sounds to Discord server. To start the process, open your Google Chrome in your mobile device. Now search here Discord login. Here tap on Discord. Then tap on Open Discord. Then go to your server. After that, tap on Test Server. Here, tap on Server Settings. Then, tap on Soundboard. After that, tap on Upload Sound. First, select the file you want to upload. Then enter the sound name. After that, select the related emoji. From here, you adjust the sound volume. After that, tap on Upload. This is how you can add soundboard sounds to Discord server. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.